कमांडो कमांडो अरे सर सर हेलो रोहित सर सर होल्ड होल्ड या सामने अरे अश्विनी
ए कौन है?
ए भाई ए यहाँ पे सर क्या लोड़ा पार्टी में थैंक यू सर ओ मैडम इधर इधर हो इधर सर्वरी जी हाँ सर्वरी इथे बघा हा बघा उधर रुको मॅडम समोर देतो मॅडम सर्वरी जी सर्वरी साबुल रुकिए मैडम सामने सामने सर्वरी रुकिए मैडम राइट में सर्वरी वेट कमांडो 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 अजय सर होल्ड थांबा ना सर यहाँ पे राइट अजय सर यहाँ पे सामने अजय सर सामने राइट अजय सामने थैंक यू जोशी सर वेट सर एकदम समोर बघा ना समोर
सचिन सर समोर सर सामने आपके सचिन सर
to Honorable Municipal Commissioner Mr. Gagrani ji, the founder of the Bamla Foundation, Chairman Mr. Asif Bamla ji also here. And we have very beautiful Sharvari here with the heart of being an eco champ, eco warrior. Thank you. Welcome Sharvari. I request and Mr. Ajay Devgan, big round of applause for Honorable Municipal Commissioner Mr. Gagrani, Ajay Devgan ji, and the man of action Rohit Shetty ji, along with Imtiaz Ali ji. We have Mr. Vijay Karya from Ravin Group, Mr. Neeraj Roy from Hangama. I request all of you, Mr. Bamla, everybody, please take them to have a seat. Sir, so please come. Come, Sharvari. आइए मिस्टर कार्य नीरज रॉय Can I have Mr. Rohini Iyer, if she's here, to please come on the stage? Mr. Satya, can I have Mr. Dhruv from Godrej to please come on stage and yeah, Mr. Ranjit Bindra, the hospitality partner from Baston, please come on stage, and so Mr. We will just. Yeah, we'll switch on the lights. Yes, we're going to give you all the important. Seema Singh ji, please, aye. We welcome Kunal Jani also from Baston Hospitality. Kunal, thank you so much. We have Hussain Nalani ji, Mr. Ajay Mittal ji from Director of Laksh. I request you to please come on stage. Is Ms. Rohini Iyer is here from the Raindrop? Okay. Okay. No, ठीक है. Okay. Yeah, let's start. Yeah, Mr. Harsh, please come from Northern Das. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, media friends, civic champions, environment warriors, eco champs, everyone, to our wonderful afternoon to launch this beautiful. Can I have everyone to please just come on the set, because we need to show the film. I need the LED screens to be a little empty. So we're launching the Environment Day campaign film for 2025. This year, Bamla Foundation, in association, collaboration with the Mumbai Mahanagar Palika, BMC, not just to bring us the message, but a cinematic experience with a conscience. The two powerful public service announcement, PS Fin, which has been written and directed by incredible Imtiaz Ali ji, none other than legendary actor Ajay Devgan ji and a very talented Sharvari. What makes even today special is that we are hosting this event in the H West Ward. Bhushan Gagrani ji, this plan was supposed to happen to the headquarters, but yes.
फरवरी को कहा कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, तो सब लोग बहुत जल्दी से तैयार हो गए, क्योंकि हम सबको एहसास है, सब लोग जो यहाँ बैठे उनको भी एहसास है कि इस दुनिया को शायद हम हमेशा के लिए तो नहीं बचा पाएंगे, क्योंकि जो हो चुका है उसको पूरी तरह से रिवर्स करना शायद पॉसिबल नहीं है, मगर हमारे पास सिर्फ एक चारा है कि हम उसको कोशिश करें जितनी देर तक वो हेल्दी रह सके। और जो हमारा भी मैसेज है वो ये है कि धरती अपना ख्याल रख लेगी, हम जो इंसान हैं हमें अपना ख्याल रखना है, और ये हम कर सकते हैं टू बी इफ़ वी आर इन टच विद द अर्थ। जैसा कि अभी भूषण जी ने कहा कि ये पॉलिसी से सिर्फ नहीं हो सकता है, ये कोई चोर पुलिस वाला खेल नहीं है। ये वो वाली फिल्म है जिसमें हर को जागना पड़ेगा एंड हर को थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा। All of us over here from the film industry, from the creative industry, Rohit, myself, Ajay, Sharvari, and everybody who's not even present over here. Rohini, I consider you also part of the film industry. Want to contribute. We want to lend our voice, our efforts, our work into taking forward the vision of the BMC, of the government, of the country. And we congratulate Mr. Asif Bhamla and his foundation for having such a long sustained battle against not only environmental disasters but various other disasters and other problems. So thank you for being here, and all of us should do what we can to send the message of the earth across. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And I will take it further. All the hard work done by Imtiaz Ali, Ajay ji and Sharvari ji, the digital media has been very, very important to us. I would request Neeraj Roy ji to please say a few words. Neeraj Roy ji from Hangama.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gagrani, Ajay ji, Imtiaz, Sharvari, Rohit, Asif bhai, and all of us, all dignitaries on dais and all members of media. हम लोगों का बामला फाउंडेशन के साथ कुछ 8-9 साल से एक रिश्ता जुड़ा है, और my own story associated with this started जब मेरी डॉटर शायद 6 साल की थी और मैं कमरे से बाहर जा रहा था, and she asked me, she said, she pointed out that मैंने फ़ैन नहीं बंद किया था, and that triggered something in my mind, and it's been often quoted. You see, we don't inherit planet Earth from our ancestors. We actually merely borrow it from our children. And this particular cause, this is actually the third initiative. United Nations in just the last 10 years, plastic pollution ke bare mein, this is the third time that they have brought this up. And we couldn't have found a better creative team to express this, because all of us, as Hangama itself, as a digital platform, the only thing we are able to do is to take this across to as many more millions of people with the intention of changing habits. And plastic pollution is truly one of the most significant. They say that in the next 10-15 years, it could account for as much as 13% of the entire environmental issues, with 850 million tons that are being put to waste every day. So we're very honored to be part of this, and thank you once again to everyone who's been associated, and we certainly look forward to trying to take this across to as many consumers and just essentially lead to citizen action. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj ji. Thank you for all your support. Now, as you know, we have the Godrej Industry Environment Cause with Bamla Foundation thing. Thank you for actually supporting this called the Geo event, which we did at the Ravin 75 years of celebration, where Mr. Devgan was announced as the ambassador. Now, अब जिनके बारे में बोलना चाहूँगा वो सिर्फ धूमधाम और गाड़ी उड़ाने की बात करते हैं, Let's give a big, big round of applause for Mr. Rohit Shetty.
एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बुलाया है और इंट्रोडक्शन के धूमधाम और गाड़ियाँ उड़ाते हैं. बट आई थिंक ऑन अ सीरियस नोट एनवायरनमेंट इज़ एन इशू जिसको हम बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं. एंड एज कमिश्नर सर सेड के इट्स नॉट अ ऑथोरिटी की इशू नहीं है, ये पब्लिक इशू है. एंड व्हेन ही सेड पब्लिक दैट मीन्स ऑल ऑफ अस विच इंक्लूड्स एवरीवन. एंड जो ये वीडियो बने हैं जो इम्तियाज़ ने डायरेक्ट की है, अजय सर, शर्वरी have taken the initiative is to create the awareness, because awareness से ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. because जो harm है वो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में नहीं हो रहा है हम पर, इसलिए शायद हम उसे रियलाइज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट जब वो होता है तो वो बहुत बड़े लेवल पर होता है. एंड वो किसी एक कम्युनिटी या कोई एक सोसाइटी या कुछ लोगों पर नहीं होता है. इट अफेक्ट्स द होल सिटी समटाइम्स, इट अफेक्ट्स द होल कंट्री समटाइम्स, एंड इट अफेक्ट्स मैनकाइंड आई वुड से. सो आज का जो इनिशिएटिव है इज़ टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स. एंड इट शुड बी लाइक अ चेन कि शुरुआत हम यहाँ से कर रहे हैं बट ये अवेयरनेस बढ़ती जाए. ख़ास करके आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए हम जैसे हम अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ये सोच करके अब हमारी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, आगे जो हमारी फैमिली है वो आगे कैसे बढ़ेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट टू द होल coming generation from our side, and that's what I would like to finish with. के I think वीडियो देख लेते हैं क्योंकि पूरा वीडियो बनाने का रीज़न ही ये था कि ज़्यादा बात ना करें, अवेयरनेस डिजिटली कैसे आगे बढ़े.
So you're a role model and people want to listen to you. After two beautiful directors, one into love, one into action, and because action bolte to pollution bhi unke sunta hai, we have Shamak Davar ji who has curated this whole choreography of Tick Tick Plastic, Bhumi Namaskar, Dhak Dhak Dharti. Shamak ji, please take the mic and share your thoughts with the Bamla Foundation.
I think everyone's spoken so much, so I don't need to say anything, but I can only dance pollution away for you all. Thank you, Mr. Bamla.
And thank you, Mazi, also for being here. Now, can we have before we launch the official movie, I would request everyone to please move aside from the side screens. Everyone on my left and the right both. Let's have the poster release of a very important film on environment. Okay, still, Pratham, please come on. Come. Ajay. Pratham Karya from Raven Group. So we're launching a first movie which is Pyasa. Okay, I've got a message. So we're doing the earthing first. Asif bhai, please. Earthing, yes. Sharvari, Ajay ji, Imtiaz ji and Rohit ji. So unveil the poster. Now we're unveiling the poster. After that you have to just rise the banner, yeah. Just turn it around and we have the official poster launch. Yes. Yeah, Bhushan ji, just turn it features. 1, 2, 3. Can we have it on the screens as well? Yes, this is earthing. Very beautiful, Ajay Devgan ji and Sharvari both. Now I would request Honorable Municipal Commissioner ji to please press the button at the plasma. Okay, we'll have the second poster release as well. Okay, so let's have the second poster. This is cinematic in 1980s. Now in 3, 2, 1, let's unveil this. It's called Pyasa. As I said, the first movie, I would request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please press the button and we can see the movie on the screens, on the plasma, sir. Romanchak? आप लोग प्लीज साइड जाइए, प्लाज्मा से थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए.